Welcome to the next episode of Rural Reality's Tractor Troubles. Today we are replacing a tyre. I've never taken a tyre off a tractor before. I don't even know who can fix a tyre for a tractor. I'm pretty sure it's just the tubing. I did call a local tyre shop and they said if it's a small one, they might be able to order a tube in. So hopefully it's a pretty easy fix. So what size is this? This is a 19mm bit. So, oh man, can't get the drill in there. Oh no, that's just great. The drill doesn't fit. Oh, that's working. Mm-hmm. Okay. Awesome thing about a tractor is you shouldn't need a jack because you can use the bucket, aim it down, and then lift the front of the tractor up enough to hopefully get the tyre off. At least that's what we're going to try. Okay, do you want to take these bolts off?
What?
Take these off?
Okay. What?
Twist that.
Hard.
You can't. Is it too hard?
Yeah. Hard.
Okay, unscrew.
I can't do it.
Bit tricky.
Yeah.
We've got to take them out, Jet.
Put it in here, Jet.
Yeah.
Put it in here. Okay.
Next one. Bit tricky. Yeah, twist this one. There you go. Good. Into the shirt. Okay, last one. No, other way, Jet. This way.
No, that's nothing.
Keep going. And got it. Good. Nice.
Jet, what?
I don't see anything. Doesn't look like anything's punctured it.
Dad.
Yeah. Weird. We might try and pump it up one more time before we take it to the tyre shop. These little Ryobi air pumps are great. Coming on air mattresses or car tyres. You can set the PSI. It's come in very handy. Max 22 PSI. No, I can definitely hear air hissing out the back. Alright, to the tyre shop
Dad.
and see if they can fix it.
Second.
Fix it at the tyre shop. Just leave the screws up here. Nice and safe.
Well.
Yep. Alright, it's been a week since we took that tractor tyre off. I don't know what took so long. Every single day Bridgestone told me it'll be ready the next day, it'll be ready the next day, for a week. I just rocked up to Bridgestone at 4 o'clock today, stayed here for the tyre, and if I didn't do that, it still wouldn't have been done today. So it's been a whole thing. Alright. It's good. I have to get this tractor tyre back on because I need to slash a whole bunch of the driveway because I'm just going to start fixing that Wednesday next week with the tool, but just get them tight enough so it's not going to like put pressure on.
Yep.
Let me check.
Slow put down.
Yeah, just ease it off. That wasn't eased.
You don't want that for. I just want to slash it.
All right. Job done. Finally. And just back it up a little bit slowly. Okay, back it up. Nice. Ready to slash.